Alright, I'm Risa. I will explain the use of the SUMIF formula. This SUMIF formula is used to add up the values in a range that meet the criteria. In this case, using the net salary range received with the NPWP status criteria. Here there is a table to calculate the total net salary received. The way to use the formula is equals SUMIF parenthesis range. For the range, we use the NPWP status on the database. Block out, then absolute with Fn plus F4. Use the semicolon, then insert the criteria. Use double quotation marks, then fill it with according status NPWP. Use the semicolon. For the sum range, we use the net salary on the database. Block all, then absolute. Close the parenthesis, then enter. Because it has been previously absolute, then just drag on the column, so make it faster. Then change the criteria according to the NPWP status. You can see on the screen how to change. That's how to use the SUMIF formula. For the next formula, will continue by my friends.
Okay, I'm Sinta, and here I will explain the use of the DSUM formula, where we use the job assistant table and net salary in the process. The use of DSUM formula is used to find the amount of salary achieved for each position. Here there are 6 positions, such as director, manager, supervisor, accounting, purchasing, and staff. The use of this formula is equal to DSUM, parentheses, database is all position, and net salary data throughout to the end. Semicolon. Field is the data that will be the object of the formula is net salary, with net salary. Semicolon. Criteria are data that will the subject to be searched. Employee position. Drag the position column to the director position. Then enter. You can see the net salary of director position. To find the net salary for other positions, first process with using the average, DMAX, and DCOUNT formula. Next will be explained by my partner.
Here, I'm Dia who will explain about the use of the DAVERAGE formula. The average formula that returns the average value in a list or database that match certain criteria. In this video, the average is used to find the average salary by using this method, the same as the average brackets open to the database in the form of a helper table containing the position and of the semicolon field, namely the net of salary and semicolon criteria in the form of a position until the director. Then the last one is a list close and enter. Okay, so from the next will be continue be my friend. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Ram. I will explain about using the DMAX formula. So, DMAX is used to find the highest value in a data. Now, in this video, I will use the DMAX formula to find the highest salary based on position in the data. The step: type the equals, then DMAX, then type the open bracket. For the database, we block the table of position and net salaries, then drag it to the end. Then we type the semicolon. For the field, we choose the net salaries, then type the semicolon again. For the criteria, we block the table of position and directors in the blue column. After that, type the closing brackets and enter. Here, the highest salary nominal will appear of this data. Okay, that's all for me. Next will be continued by my friend.
So, next, how to find quantity. The method is same, but in front we change with the count. So, the formula is equal to the count parenthesis. For database we use provided table is jabatan and gaji bersih all column. Then the field we use gaji bersih, and the criteria use jabatan until director, and parentheses the last is enter. For search all the result, when we drag down, the result is value. So the true formula is drag all column, move to data, click what is analytics and click data table. From column width, we click column director and click OK, and we find the result. For total keseluruhan, we use formula is sum, drag all column, and klik enter. Jumlah rata-rata, we use formula is average, and drag the column and click enter. For jumlah tertinggi, we use max, drag the column and click enter. And we drag to the right for all formulas. Then the result will be like this.